Hello friends, now I am unboxing Nubia Z70 Ultra 5G black color variant. Doing so, I will also share some in-depth information of this smartphone. The phone comes with a 144Hz refresh rate, 6.85-inch touchscreen display offering a resolution of 1216 x 2688 pixel. Nubia Z70 Ultra is powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. It comes with 12GB of RAM. The Nubia Z70 Ultra runs Android 15 and is powered by a 6150 mAh battery. It supports 80-watt fast charging. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Nubia Z70 Ultra on the rear packs a triple camera setup featuring a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 50-megapixel ultra wide angle camera and a 64-megapixel telephoto camera. It has a single front camera setup for selfies featuring a 16-megapixel sensor. It was launched in amber, black seal and starry sky collector's edition colors. It features an IP69 ratings for dust and water protection. Connectivity options on the Nubia Z70 Ultra include Wi-Fi, GPS, NFC, infrared, USB OTG and USB Type-C. Sensors on the phone include in-display fingerprint sensors. So friends, that's all about this smartphone. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.